The internet is a place we go to play games with our friends. We learn a lot of different things and keep up with the trends. We sign into different places, we tap and click. But sometimes on the internet we forget to stop and think. The internet can be a dangerous place if we don't know all the rules, but watching Cybersafe can help me pick up all the tools. Salam alaikum and welcome to an episode of Cybersafe, the show that teaches you how to use the internet safely. In today's episode we will discuss downloading and file sharing. The internet gives you easy access to a wide range of downloadable content, like videos, software and documents. Sometimes, through downloading files, you can give your laptop or computer or tablet a virus. Another problem with downloading files from the internet is that you might be doing something illegal. Yes, you heard right. I said illegal. That sounds a bit scary, right? Because you don't want to do something illegal, because then it means you're breaking the law. So how does that happen? There are many websites where you can legally download files by paying a small price, and these are okay. But there are lots of sites which let you download files for free, and those files may be protected by copyright laws. Downloading copyright files means you are breaking the law. If you are not sure about something that you are downloading from the internet, then it's always best to ask an adult to help you read through the fine print to make sure you aren't doing something you're not supposed to. Okay, so what about file sharing? File sharing is when you share data that has been uploaded or downloaded, but making it available to others over the internet. Sounds a bit confusing, right? Okay, so let's think of it this way. If you download a video from the internet which is copyrighted, so it means you can't download it for free or use it as your own. If you download that video, then you send it to your friend or upload it online, then you could still be in trouble. File sharing copyright material is just as serious and as illegal as someone selling illegal DVDs, for example. So now that we know a bit more about downloading and file sharing, and apart from breaking copyright law, which is seen as theft, there are other dangers when it comes to downloading and file sharing. So what are they? Viruses. Downloading files or software can put computers at risk from potentially harmful programs. Theft. File sharing can allow other computers to see all the files on your computer, which means your personal information can be stolen. Unsuitable images. The internet has lots of violent or inappropriate images that are not suitable for children or teenagers. Strangers. Sometimes file sharing sites have an option where you can chat to people, and this can be a dangerous thing because you are speaking to a stranger. In the same way you wouldn't go up to someone you don't know in real life and strike a conversation up with them. The same thing applies online. You shouldn't speak to strangers. We've nearly come to the end today, but not before we visit our internet safety rhyme. I keep my information safe, I don't let people know my name, address or number or which call I go. I never talk to strangers if they're not a real life friend. No matter who they say they are, it could be just pretend. If I take a photo of a friend, I'm always well aware to ask if it's okay with them before I click and share. I'm always kind to others in the playground and on screen. I never write or tell them things that are hurtful, bad or mean. I always ask an adult before I go online. If we look at things together, I know I will be fine. If I ever see something that makes me scared or sad, I tell an adult I can trust and it won't be so bad.